Let me paint you a picture. You finally found the mixture for the perfect color you need for your painting, but you didn't make quite enough and you don't remember how you made the color. Or from one painting session or another, you don't remember which colors you took to do your painting and to mix your colors. This is a situation that I see coming over and over again for me personally and for all my students. We waste way too much time trying to recreate the colors because we can't remember how we made them. And we also waste a lot of paint trying to recreate the colors that we just can't remember. Well, I have a solution for you. I created a notebook so you can write down all your colors. You can put your color swatches, let me show you, in the artist notebook. You have a place where you can stick your reference photos. You also have a place of which color tubes you took, and you can write them down so you'll remember for the next time you continue your painting. You even have a place where you can put your color swatches once you found that perfect color, and you can add it there, and then you can write down all the colors you used to make it. And you have this for several paintings, and it's all in one place in the artist notebook. Follow the link below to order yours. It's the perfect gift for the artist, and you'll save so much time and so much paint with this notebook.